everyone! It's me again, Mariel, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, ito na nga, may panibago na naman tayong video for today. And ang ating video nga ngayon is for my grade 7 students over the screen. And ito ay continuation ng operations of a polynomials na in-upload ko the last time, yung addition and subtraction of polynomials. Pero ngayon, we are gonna focus on multiplication and division of polynomials. So, meron tayong by categories and pag-uusapan natin yan later. So, bago ang lahat, please wag mo muna kalimutang mag-subscribe. Siyempre, i-like mo tong video na to and i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below para siyempre palagi kang updated whenever na magpo-post ako ng mga math tutorials. And you can also consider following me here at my social media accounts in here. Ayan. Para updated din kayo doon kung meron ba akong upload or else. Ayan. Anyway, nag-upload ako doon ng mga mini tutorials and mga quizzes. Ayan. So, i-follow nyo ako dito. And syempre, para mas maintindihan nyo yung sasabihin ko ngayon or ituturo ko ngayon, huwag nyo kalimutang mag-jot down or maglista ng mga important details na i-discuss ko dito sa lesson na to. And kung kilala nyo na si Ma'am Mariel, po ay gumagawa ng mga math tutorial videos. Step-by-step process, hindi lang basta-basta turo. Step by step, malalaman nyo dito kung paano ba nakuha yung mga bagay-bagay. Ayan. Kaya naman, panoorin nyo to hanggang dulo. And without any daldan, tara na, simulan na natin ang pag-aaral. So, ito na nga, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. So, ngayon, we are gonna focus on multiplication of polynomials. Ayan. And meron tayong by categories ng pag-multiply ng polynomials. We have a multiplying a monomial by a monomial. And the next category is multiplication of a monomial by a polynomial. Ayan, kung napanood nyo yung nauna kong video about this one, syempre malalaman nyo doon kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng polynomials. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial? Those are polynomials, okay? Kaya lang, sa ibang definition, kapag sinabing polynomial, it means two or more monomial, okay? But then again, a monomial is a part of a polynomial. Okay, meron pang isa, the multiplication of binomial to a binomial. Okay, so dun tayo magfo-focus sa tatlong yon in multiplication of a polynomials, okay? So, bear with my voice. Ayan, kakagaling ko lang sa sipon. And sobrang grabe ng panahon ngayon. Sobrang lamig, tapos biglang iinit. Kaya, always be safe and always be healthy, everyone. Okay? So, before anything else or bago kayo mag-proceed dito sa lesson na to, sa multiplication and division of polynomials, please, mga bunso, puntahan nyo muna yung discussion ko all about addition and subtraction of polynomials. Ilalagay ko yan dito sa taas, ayan. I-open nyo yan or nandito, basta nandyan yan. And of course, the law of exponent, ilalagay ko din yan dito kasi sobrang importante nila dito sa ating multiplication and division of polynomials, especially the law of exponent. For example, number 1, we have here 5x cubed times 2x, okay? So, this is a monomial. Bakit siya monomial? Kasi isang term lang siya and walang naghahati sa kanya na operation. This is also a monomial, okay? Kaya tinawag na multiplying a monomial by a monomial. Remember, at that, it symbolizes multiplication. Okay? Palagi niyang tatandaan. So, kagaya nga ng sinasabi ko, dito ay gagamit tayo ng product rule sa law of exponent. Ano ba ang sinasabi ng ating product rule? Ito yung kapag may magkaparehas na base. For example, we have a raised to m times a raised to n. Ayan. We are going to use the product rule. Diba? As you can see, parehas a yung base. Sa product rule, kapag magkaparehas yung base, you are just going to copy that and then just add the exponent or pagsasamahin lang natin yung exponent. That is m plus n. Okay? So, for example, numbers to. Gawin natin itong numbers para hindi kayo malito. This is a raised to 2 and a raised to 3. Ayan. So, copy the base kasi they have the same base. And then, add the exponent. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Therefore, that is a raised to 5. And yan yung sinasabi ng ating product rule sa ating law of exponent. So, kaya nga dapat ay alam nyo ang ating law of exponent. So, ganun lang kasimple. Ngayon, what are we going to do with that product rule dito sa multiplication of a monomial by a monomial? First, ganito muna yung gagawin nyo. Kunin nyo muna lahat ng numerical coefficient. I-multiply nyo yan. 5 times 2. Ayan. And then next, kunin mo yung x, tsaka yung x. Yung magkaparehas na variable. Okay? Kapag mayroon magkaparehas na variable, syempre yung exponent nila, i-add natin. So, we have x raised to 3 times x raised to 1. Automatic may raised to 1 yan kasi walang nakalagay na exponent. Tama? And then, right after that, just multiply. We have 5 times 2, that is 10. And then dito, gagamit ka na ng product rule. Okay? Copy the base dahil magkaparehas lang naman silang x. Copy. And then, 3 plus 1. Ipag-a-add nyo lang yung dalawang yan. Yung dalawang exponent. Remember, kapag magkaparehas yung base. Pero kapag hindi magkaparehas yung base, wala ka nang gagawin doon. Okay? So, 3 plus 1, that is 4. Therefore, the final answer will be 10x raised to 4. And ganun lang kasimple. So, for our next example, syempre para madami kayong or tayong references, we have here negative 2m raised to 3y times 3m raised to 4 times 2mn raised to 2. And kapag nakakita kayo ng parentheses, that also symbolizes a multiplication. Okay? So, marami kasing representation ngayon si multiplication. Pwedeng dot or tuldok, pwedeng parentheses, brackets, asterisk, those are multiplication. Sometimes nga kapag magkadikit lang sila, it is considered multiplication. Depende sa situation. Okay? And then, ito pwede natin itong dire-diretsuhin or pwede din naman kunin natin lahat ng coefficient muna. Pwede ganito na lang yung gawin nyo dito eh. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. Dire-diretso na. Pero syempre, para hindi kayo malito or para sa step by step na process, ganito yung gawin nyo. Negative 2 times 3 times 2. And then, kunin mo lahat ng variable na magkakatulad. For example, itong m raised to 3, m raised to 4, and n. Pagsama-samahin mo yan. M raised to 3 times M raised to 4 times M. Okay? And by that, magkakaparehas yung base nila. Tama? And then, next natin ay, wait lang, ito dapat ay N. Sorry. That is N. Ayan. So, next, we have N. Sino kapartner ni N? Of course, wala siya dito kapartner. So, kunin mo yung kapartner niya doon sa dulo. Ayan, si n raised to 2 times n raised to 2. And then just do the multiplication. Negative 2 times 3, that is negative 6 times 2, that is negative 12. Okay? And then itong mga m na to, dahil sila yung magkakaparehas na base, siyempre, palagi yung tatandaan yung product rule, kopyahin si base, and then add the exponent. Okay? So dahil meron tayo ditong 3 plus 4 plus 1. So, wag niyong kakalimutan na may automatic 1 na exponent yung variable na walang nakalagay na exponent. Automatic yon. Kaya yan ay 3 plus 4 plus 1. Okay? And 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1, that is 8. Therefore, we have negative 12 m raised to 8. Pero syempre, hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa dito. N times n raised to 2. Palagi kong sinasabi, automatic meron niyang 1 kasi walang nakalagay na exponent. So, that is, kopyahin natin si n. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Therefore, the final answer is negative 12 m raised to 8 raised to 3. And ganun lang siya kasimple. So, ngayon naman, we are going to discuss the multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. Okay? So, when we say monomial, isang term lang. And when we say polynomial, it composed of 2 or more terms. And as you can see, we have here two terms and pinaghiwalay sila ng addition. Okay? Kaya meron tayong dalawang terms. Itong 5x squared at saka itong si 3y. So, that is polynomial. Anyway, si monomial naman is a polynomial din. Kasi kasama siya sa kinds of polynomials. Okay? So, medyo nakakalito yung part na yun, pero ganun yun. And then, kapag nakakita kayo ng ganitong situation, what are you going to do? Basically, we are just gonna use the distributive property. When we say distributive property, ito yung i-distribute mo, itong nasa labas, doon sa nasa loob, sa mga terms na nasa loob. Ito, 2x cubed times 5x squared. And when we say distribute, we are gonna multiply again. I-multiply ulit natin siya. For example, itong 2x cubed. We are gonna multiply that to 5x squared. Okay? And then, kunin mo yung addition, add. Ito, i-distribute mo naman siya doon kay 3y. Okay? So, we have 2x cubed times 3y. Okay? Then, right after that, syempre, i-multiply na natin sila. Kapag i-multiply na natin sila, gagawin lang natin yung kagaya nung ginagawa natin kanina. Okay? Ito lang yung nag-iba, yung magdi-distribute ka. Pero same process pa din after nito. Okay? So, kunin mo lang lahat ng numerical coefficient. Itong 2 times 5. So, we have 2 times 5 times x raised to 3 times x raised to 2. Okay? Plus, kunin mo yung 2 and 3. 2 times 3. Of course, we are going to multiply. Times x raised to 3 times y. And then, do the operation. 2 times 5, that is 10. And then, as you can see, si x cubed tsaka si x squared ay same ang base kasi parehas silang x. Okay? Therefore, kopyahin mo si x. And then, add the exponent. 3 plus 2. That is 5. Okay? And then, kunin mo yung plus. Ayan. Do the operation. 2 times 3. That is 6. And as you can see, si x cubed tsaka si y ay hindi magkatulad ng variable or hindi magkatulad ng base. Therefore, wala tayong i-add na exponent kasi magkaiba sila ng base or yung variable itself. Kaya naman ang gagawin natin dyan is kakopyahin na lang natin sila. So, we have 6x cubed y. And that is the final answer. We have 10x raised to 5 plus 6x cubed y. Ganun lang kasimple. Now, we have our example number 4. And this is multiplying a binomial by a binomial. When we say binomial, it composed of two terms. Okay? So, this is a binomial kasi we have 1, 2 terms. This is also a binomial. And 2 terms din sila kasi isa lang yung operation na nagse-separate sa kanila. Kaya meron tayong 2 terms. Okay? So, what are we going to do in multiplication of a binomial to a binomial? We are gonna use the FOIL method. Lalagay ko na lang dyan. And what do we mean by FOIL? This is the first, outer, inner, and last. Ayan yung sinasabi nating FOIL. So, syempre, aalamin mo kung alin ba yung position nila dito para ma-multiply natin sila. And ito, madali lang to. Actually, inaaral talaga to ng mga grade 7, pero meron din to sa mga pataas na level, ng grade level. Okay? So, dapat alam na to, grade 7 pa lang. And parang meron na din ito sa grade 6. Hindi ko sure, pero kung hindi ako nagkakamali. So, kapag i-multiply natin yung first, eto siya. Ito, sundan nyo mga bunso. Ang ating first ay itong term na to. Yan, we have our first. So, lagay natin dito. First, you have to multiply that. So, x times x. That is x squared. Kapag kaparehas yung base, kopyahin mo lang and then add the exponent. Diba? Automatic may 1 yan. So, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay? And then, next, dahil tapos ka na sa first, outer naman. Outer. Yung outer, ito yung dalawang nasa dulo-dulo. Ito, x, tsaka itong si 2. That is the outer. And x times 2, that is positive 2x. Okay? And then, next, dito ka naman kay inner. Inner, when we say inner, nasa loob or pinakaloob. So, dalawang nasa loob, itong 6, tsaka itong si x. Ayan. Ayan yung sinasabi natin either. So, you multiply that, 6 times x, that is positive 6x. Okay? Nakakasunod ba? So, kopyahin nyo ito mga bunso or screenshot para hindi nyo siya makalimutan. And then, we have the last. Ang last, syempre, yung dalawang nasa huli. Therefore, that is itong 6, tsaka itong si 2. That is our last. And then, syempre, i-multiply din natin. That is 6 times 2, and that is plus 12. Okay? Then, right after that, you are just going to combine the like terms. Okay? So, si x squared ba? May kagaya ba siya dito na may exponent din na 2? Of course, wala. Therefore, you have to copy that. Ibaba mo lang. And then, as you can see, si 2x saka 6x seems like they are like terms. Paano sila naging like terms? Kasi yung kanilang x or variable na kasama ay parehas na 1 yung exponent. Tama? Therefore, we have to add them. And kapag mag-a-add tayo, syempre, i-add lang natin yung dalawang numerical coefficient. That is 2 plus 6. That is 8. Ayan, plus 8. Then, copy x. Addition yun. Okay, hindi multiplication yung ginawa natin. Kaya, wala tayong exponent na in-add. Okay? And then, of course, kopyahin na lang si plus 12. And there we have it. That is the final answer. X squared plus 8x plus 12. And that is how are you going to use the FOIL method in multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Ganun lang kasimple.